It's Halloween at Schweiss Doors, and our employees are a bit out of character.
Hey, wanna tac-o-bout doors? Schweiss doors are not show average doors. Let's find out why.
Get out of the cable stone age with our Schweiss straps.
Our hydraulic door hinges are out of this world.
Our hydraulic doors are very appealing.
We're serious about policing quality.
Hey, stop right there!
Have technical questions? Don't worry, we won't ghost you.
Snap twice to order your Schweiss door.
Schweiss Doors are built strong, built to last, even in the afterlife.
Happy Halloween from Schweiss Doors!